Hi there everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will learn about Python basics, expressions, data types, variables, and some basic built-in functions. Expressions. Expression is the most basic kind of programming instruction in the language. It consists of operands and operator. Operands are the values that is, 2, 3.45, etc. Operators such as plus, minus, modulator, division, etc. are the operation made between operands. Precedence. The order of operations of Python math operator. Please note, use of parentheses will override the usual precedence. Here there is a list of math operators from highest to lowest precedence. We have exponent with high precedence value, denoted by double star in Python, used to calculate power of a value. Then modulus, which is used to calculate the remainder of 2 value. Next is integer division, denoted by double slash, used to calculate flawed quotient of 2 value. Then division, denoted by slash, used to calculate quotient of 2 value. Multiplication operator, used for multiplication. Then addition, and subtraction. In an expression, modulus is calculated first, then multiplication and division, finally addition and subtraction. Data types. A data type is a category of values, and every value belongs to exactly one data type. Some of the common data types are integers, floating point numbers, and strings. Integers. These are the values that are whole numbers. For example, -2, 45, 1, etc. Floating point number. The numbers with the decimal points such as 3.14, 2.3, etc. Strings. Python programs can also have text values called strings. It is surrounded by single quote or double quote. A string with 0 character is called as empty string. Example, hello world, cool, etc. Basic string operations. String concatenation. The meaning of an operator may change based on the data types of the value next to it. Plus acts as addition operator, when used between 2 integer or floating point numbers. Plus acts as concatenation operator, when used between strings. For example, Alice on concatenation with Bob gives Alice Bob. String replication. Star used as multiplication operator, when used between integer or float value. But when used between a string and integer, it acts as string replication operator, where the string is repeated by integer value. For example, fun with 5, fun is replicated 5 times. Variables. Variables are the logical name of a space in a computer memory to store a value and use later on the program. We have rules for defining a valid variable name. That is, it must be only one word. It must consist only letters, numbers, and only underscore. A variable name must not begin with number. And variable names are case sensitive. For best practice, use descriptive variable names that defines the data, which will make the code more readable. Here are some examples for valid variable name and invalid variable name. Pause the video and observe the variable names. If we use hyphen, space, number on beginning, number, special character, then that variable names are invalid. Comments. In Python we use hash to comment a line. It skips the execution of commented lines. We use comments for explaining the code. It helps in making the code more readable, and comments are used as shown in the example. So that's all for this video. Thank you.